Okay, for today's class, we will be studying the application of vectors in geometry and solving some previous year questions. So let's start our let us start our session. Hello, yeah. Let's start our session. Okay, so let's solve a question and for recalling the concepts. So this question, as you can see, was asked in mains 2002. Sorry, this question was asked in IIT JEE 2002. So the question is, if A, B, C are vectors such that A plus B plus C is 0 and mod of A bar, B bar, C bar individually is given, then the angle between the vectors B bar and C bar. Okay, since see, to solve this question, first of all, we are supposed to find the angle between B bar and C bar. So what we will do is that since we are supposed to find the angle between B bar and C bar, we will take this A bar to the other side and we will write B bar and C bar, B bar plus C bar equals to minus A bar. Okay. Now I am squaring both the sides. I am first of all applying the mod. I am applying the mod. I am applying mod. So mod of B bar plus C bar will be equal to mod of A bar here, and I am squaring both the sides. Now this will become mod of B square plus mod of C square plus sorry, instead of taking mod, I am directly squaring both the sides. So this will become B square plus C square plus 2 times of B bar dot C bar equals to uh, A square, right? A square is A dot A. Here B square is B bar dot B bar, C square is C bar dot C bar, and 2 B bar dot C bar equals to A bar dot A bar. Now B bar dot B bar is plus mod of C square plus 2 times of B bar dot C bar equals to mod of A square, right? So we got the equation in which now we can find the angle between B and C using this particular thing here. So what I will do here is mod of B square is given to us as 5 square plus mod of C square is 3 square plus 2 times B dot C is mod of B mod of C into cos theta, where theta is the angle between B bar and C bar, equals to mod of A square was given to us as 7 square. So this comes out to be 25 plus 9 34 plus 2 times of mod of B is 5 and mod of C is 3 and cos theta equals to 49. So this comes to be 15, right? 49 minus 34, 15. This is like 30 cos theta equals to 15. So cos theta value is half, right? So if cos theta is half, then I can say theta is pi by 3 or 60 degree, correct? So the answer is 60 degree. Okay, so this was our recall test. Now let's study application of vector in geometry. Now 3 points A, B, C are collinear means, okay, so we all know if A, B and C points, these 3 points, when these 3 points are collinear, that means they are lying on the same line, correct? And on the same line, when you try to draw a triangle, you cannot draw a triangle. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is 0. So whenever 3 points are given to us, and when you find the area using those points, when you find the area using the determinant formula, half times of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 equals to, when this area comes out to be 0, then what we can say that those 3 points are collinear points. Okay, and vice versa. If those points are collinear, then the area of triangle ABC will be 0. Second point is given B minus A and C minus A are collinear vectors. Okay, so here it is B bar, A bar, B bar, and C bar. Okay, these three vectors are collinear. Then B minus A bar and C minus A bar are also collinear, right? These vector, these vector lie in the same line. You can see, right? C minus A bar and B minus A bar. It's B minus A bar and C minus A bar are collinear. Okay, so since they are collinear, we can also say that they are parallel. Now, since they are parallel, the angle between them is like if they are collinear and parallel, the angle between them is 0. So we can write B bar minus A bar cross C bar minus A bar is 0, right? So the angle between these two vectors is 0 degree. Therefore, the cross product comes out to be 0 vector, right? There exists alpha, beta, gamma, not all zero such that A alpha plus B beta. Since these three are collinear, right? Since these three are collinear, then this condition can be met where the condition is A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma is 0, right? So what does this statement says? When the vectors are collinear, then it can then the combination of these vectors with the linear variable, the linear combination of these vectors sums out to be 0, and the constants that are multiplied to get those linear combination sums out to be 0 as well. Okay, and if these two conditions are met, then we can say that it is collinear, otherwise they are not collinear. Okay, now consider four vectors A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar. These are coplanar vectors. So obviously tetrahedron is a 3D, like tetrahedron, we all know tetrahedron is a 3D diagram or 3D space. Tetrahedron acquires 3D space. That means if the vectors are coplanar, then the volume in the 3D space will be 0, right? Since all the vectors are lying in the same plane, right? So these 4 points are similar to these points here. You can see B minus A, C minus A, D minus A are also coplanar. So you can choose the plane, you can choose vectors A, B, C, D, and if you subtract, if you do B minus A, C minus A, and D minus A, all these vectors will lie in this same plane itself, right? And since all these vectors are in the same plane, yesterday we studied that if three vectors lie in the same plane, then their box product is 0, right? Box product or scalar triple product is 0. So that is why this is written here. Now, this point is similar to the last point here. So since there were three collinear vectors, so alpha, beta, gamma was there. Here there are four coplanar vectors. So alpha, beta, gamma, delta combination is there, and this is also 0. Okay. Otherwise, this won't be coplanar if this condition is not met. Now, if A bar and B bar are the position vector of A and B, and R bar be the position vector of point P which divides the join of AB. So this is like this, A bar and B bar are the position vector of A and B, right? So this is like here origin is there, this is like A bar, this is like B bar, right? So this is what this the join is B bar minus A bar. Okay, so when you join this line, what it is saying is if it is dividing this line in the ratio, if this point is dividing this line in the ratio m:n, then r bar, okay, wherever this r bar is here, r bar position vector r bar, so r bar can be found out by solving this relation. Okay, so this plus minus sign means plus sign is for internal division Okay, when the position vector lies somewhere on the line joining it, and minus sign is for the subtraction when the R bar lies somewhere outside but it is collinear to A bar and B bar. So this is like external division and this is internal division. So this type of internal and external division we have also seen in coordinate geometry, right? When we were studying straight lines. Okay, if A, B, C, D are the position vector of three vertices of triangle ABC and R bar be the position vector of the centroid, then this also we have studied in coordinate geometry, right? When three coordinates are given, then the centroid is found out by summing the summation of xi by 3 comma summation of yi by 3. So this is in coordinate geometry. Similarly, in vector geometry, this is summation of all the vectors divided by 3. Okay, so this is all these vectors are position vector of the vertices of the triangle. Now, solution of, let's solve a question. Solution of the vector equation r bar cross b bar equals to a bar cross b bar. So it is given r bar cross b bar equals to a bar cross b bar, comma r dot c, r bar dot c bar is 0. Okay, these two conditions are given provided that c is not perpendicular to b. Okay, and also it is given that c and b are not perpendicular, right? So under all these three conditions, you have to find the vector r bar. We have to find the vector r bar. Okay, so here what we will do first is r bar cross b bar, okay, equals to a bar cross b bar is given, right? So I know that if I do the scalar triple product, I know how to substitute and I know the formula also. So what I'll be doing now is I will be doing r bar dot b bar. I'll do here c bar dot r bar cross b bar equals to c bar dot a bar cross b bar, right? Both the sides I did dot product with c bar. Okay, so we know that a bar dot b bar cross c bar, what, how to write this? So first we write r bar and then we write c bar dot b bar minus we write b bar and then we write c bar dot r bar, right? Similarly here we will write a bar and here c bar dot b bar minus I will write here b bar and here c bar dot a bar, right? So here you can see that r bar dot c bar is here. So this is 0. So on the left side, what we have remaining is c bar dot b bar into r bar equals to, here what I will do is c bar dot b bar into a bar minus c bar dot a bar into b bar, right? Now I will take this, I will take this thing on the other side and bring this c bar dot b bar, since both c bar dot b bar are common over here. So I will do here is c bar dot a bar into b bar equals to c bar dot b bar into, this comes out to be, what will this be, a bar minus a bar minus r bar. Now, we found out that a bar minus r bar is equals to c bar dot a bar upon c bar dot b bar into b bar. So r bar is equals to a bar minus c bar dot a bar upon c bar dot b bar into b bar, right? So we found out r bar in terms of A bar, B bar, and C bar. So which answer? Answer option A, right? Okay. Now solving another question. Let's see what it is given over here. Let B bar is 4 I cap plus 3 J cap and C be two vectors. Okay, B bar and C bar are the two vectors perpendicular to each other in the XY plane. Okay, so B bar is perpendicular to C bar is the information given. All vectors in the same plane having projections 1 and 2 along B bar and C bar respectively. Okay, so if the vector is lying in the same plane, we can assume R bar is lambda B bar plus mu C bar, right? This is what the relation is for a vector lying in the same plane and using the other two vectors, right? Which are on the same plane as well. And I can write C bar, let's assume C bar as X I cap plus Y J cap. We don't know what C bar is, okay? Now, I know that B bar and C bar are perpendicular. That means B bar dot C bar will be 0. So doing the dot product, I get 4x plus 3y is 0. So I can say that y is minus 4 upon 3 times x. So I can substitute here and I will get C bar equals to x I cap plus minus 4 by 3 times of x j cap, right? So I found out cy in terms of a single variable. Now projection 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 of r bar on b bar is r bar dot b bar upon mod of b bar, right? Correct. So what is r bar dot b bar? First of all, see r bar dot b bar, when you do, r bar is lambda b bar plus mu c bar dot of b bar upon mod of b bar. Okay. So lambda b bar dot b bar plus mu c bar dot b bar upon mod of b bar. Now this is equal to, see, c bar dot b bar is 0 since b bar and c bar are perpendicular, which is given to us. So I'll do lambda mod of b bar square. B bar dot b bar is mod b square, so this will become mod b. So lambda times mod of b. Okay, this comes out to, so projection of r bar on b bar is lambda times mod of b. So this is given as 1, right? So lambda comes out to be 1 upon mod of b bar, which is 1 upon 5, right? So mod of b bar is equal to under root 4 square plus 3 square, right? So this comes out to be 5. Okay, so we got the value of lambda, correct? Now now since we got the value of lambda, how to find the value of mu? Our question. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is our value of lambda. Now projection of r bar on c bar. This will be equals to r bar dot c bar upon mod of c bar, correct? So this will come out to be r bar is lambda b bar plus mu c bar dot c bar upon mod of c bar. So this will be lambda b bar dot c bar plus mu times of c bar dot c bar upon c bar. So this lambda b bar dot c bar will again be 0 and this will be mu times of mod c square upon mod of C. So this will be mu times of mod C. Okay, so this is given to us as 2, right? So mod of C, what is the value of mod of C? From here we can calculate, right? Mu times mod of C is given to us as 2, right? So this will come out to be, mu will come out to be 2 times of mod of C. Okay, and mod of C is under root of mod of C is under root of x square plus 4 square by 3 square into x square. So this will come out to be 3x square, sorry, 9x square plus 16x square, 25x square, which is 5x. Root of 25x square is 5x upon 3 square. So this will come out to be 5 by 3 times of x. Okay, so mod of C is 5 by 3 times of x. So this mu will come out to be 6 upon 5x. So we got the value of mu. Right, now we know lambda, we know mu, we just have to eliminate x somehow to find the vector r bar, right? So is there any other information that you can see here which will help us eliminate x? Yeah. Okay, let's find out. So we will do r bar is lambda times 1 by 5 times 4 I cap plus 3 j cap, right? So since here we got mu times of x is 6 by 5, I will substitute this as 6 by 5 in the equation, right? And let's check the solution here. See, so lambda is substituted by 1 by 5 and x was substituted by mu x. C bar is taken as x into, so mu times of C bar, right? What is the value of what is the value of r bar that we were supposed to find? Lambda b bar plus mu c bar, right? And lambda b bar was given to us 4 I cap plus 3 j cap, correct? Plus here we were, mu is given, we found out, and c was given to us x times of I cap minus 4 by 3 I cap plus 4 by 3 j cap, right? So we know the value of mu x. See, it is 6 by 5. So we will substitute this 6 by 5. Here we will substitute 1 by 5. This will come out to be this. Here it will be 6 by 5 and I cap plus 4 by 3 j cap. Okay. So this is how we found out lambda and mu. Now, another question. In this question, A bar is given, B bar is given. if C bar is a vector if C bar is a vector such that this condition is followed for C bar, and the angle between A bar cross B bar and C bar is 30 degree, then A bar cross B bar cross of C bar. So what is this? This is vector triple product, vector triple product that we are supposed to find over here. So to find this thing, okay, so what we will do is first of all find A bar cross B bar. What is A bar cross B bar? We will do I cap, find the determinant using I cap, J cap, K cap, 2, 1, minus 2, and this is 1, 1, 0, right? So this will come out to be, this is 0 I cap, this is minus 2 J cap, this is plus 2 K cap, then minus K cap, minus 2 I cap, and 0 J cap. So this will come out to be minus 2 I cap, minus 2 J cap plus K cap. Okay, so this is our A bar cross B bar, right? Now to find C bar, what we will do is, we know that mod of C bar minus A bar is given to us as 2 root 2. I will square both the sides. What I will get? Mod of C bar plus mod of A bar square minus 2 times of C bar dot A bar equals to 8, right? Here mod of C, this is the equation, and C bar dot A bar is given as mod of C over here, right? And we know the modulus of A bar. Modulus of A bar is 3, right? Mod of A bar is under root 2 square plus 1 plus 2 square. This comes out to be 3. So I'll substitute here. Mod of A square is 9. This will be mod of C square plus 9 minus 2 times mod C equals to 8. So this will be mod of C square minus 2 times mod C plus 1 is 0. So mod of C minus 1 whole square is 0. So mod of C bar is 1, right? So I got the modulus of C bar. Now A bar cross B bar cross of C bar, okay, can be written, this modulus of this can be written as mod of A bar cross B bar into sine of angle between them, right? Sine of angle between A bar cross B bar and C bar is 30 degree. Okay, and we have to find the modulus of this. Mod of A bar cross B bar, mod of A bar cross B bar is also 3, right? Mod of A bar cross B bar is under root of 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. This is 3. So this comes out to be 3 into mod of C bar. Mod of C bar we got it as 1 into sine 30, which is half. So this is 3 by 2. Okay. So the value of the answer to this question is 3 by 2. Okay. Now in this question, let A bar and B bar be two unit vectors. If the vectors C bar and D bar are perpendicular to each other, then the angle between this. So whenever we see the word perpendicular, so we know that C bar dot D bar is going to be 0, right? So what I will do here is I'll just substitute C bar as A bar plus 2B bar, do the dot product. I will get 5A bar minus 4B bar, and this will be 0, right? So A bar dot 5A bar, so this will be 5A bar dot A bar. Now minus 4 times A bar dot B bar, okay, plus 10 times A bar dot B bar minus 8 times B bar dot B bar equals to 0, right? Now it has been given as mod of A is 1, mod of B is 1, because these two are unit vectors, right? So here I will write 5 times mod A square minus, sorry, this minus 4 times this plus 10 times this will become 6 times of a bar dot b bar and minus 8 times of mod b bar square equals to 0. Now 5, this will be 5 and this will be minus 8. Okay, mod a is 1, mod b is 1 plus 6 times of a bar dot b bar will be mod a, mod b and cos of angle between them. Okay, so this will come out to be minus 3. So 6 times of mod a is 1, mod b is 1 and cos theta equals to, this will come out to be 3. So cos theta will be half. Okay, since cos theta is half, I can say theta is pi by 3 or 60 degree, right? So answer is pi by 3. Okay, okay. Now in this question, u bar, v bar and w bar is given if n bar is the unit vector such that u bar dot n bar and v bar dot n bar is 0, then we have to find something. Okay, so first of all I can see that u bar dot v bar also comes out to be 0. So u bar is perpendicular to v bar, that means the angle between them is 90 degree. So I can say that n cap, okay, n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to u bar and v bar, right? So whenever we have to find a unit vector perpendicular to something, okay, so like you know that u bar cross v bar gives a vector which is perpendicular to u bar as well as perpendicular to v bar, right? And when I divide this thing by the modulus of u bar and v bar, then I will get a unit vector, right? So I can do this like this. So now I have to find n cap. So n cap will be what? N cap will be determinant of u bar cross v bar. So first we will find that u bar cross v bar. So we can see 110, 110 is u bar and okay. So now mod of u bar is root 2 and mod of v bar is also root 2, right? So finding this, I'll get I cap, this is 0, this j cap will be 0, k cap will be minus 1, so minus k cap. Okay, and then this will again be minus k cap and the rest will be 0 upon 2. So this will come out to be minus k cap. So n cap came out to be the unit vector which was perpendicular to unit vector which was perpendicular to both u bar and v bar is minus k cap. Now we have to find out w mod of w bar dot n cap, which is equals to mod of w bar dot minus k cap. Okay, so w bar is I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap into my dot of minus k cap and modulus of this particular thing. So this will be modulus of minus 3, which will come out to be 3. So our answer is option 4, right? Okay, here in this question you don't have to do anything. This is a conceptual question and it can be solved easily. So how to solve this? So the non-zero vectors a bar, b bar, c bar are related such that, so a bar is given as lambda b bar, okay, like 8 b bar, and c bar is given as minus 7 b bar, right? So consider b bar was like this, right? B bar was like this. When you do 8 b bar, the direction won't change and the magnitude will get multiplied. This will be 8 b bar, right? So this was b bar, this will become 8 b bar. Now for minus b bar will be like this till this much, okay, and minus 7 b bar will be this vector and its magnitude will be multiplied 7 times, minus 7 b bar. So you can see that these two vectors are anti-parallel, right? These two vectors are anti-parallel. So therefore the angle between them will be 180 degree or pi. Correct? So this is the answer. Okay, and one more method to find this is, see, to find the angle between a bar dot c bar, what you can do is a bar and c bar, you can find the dot product, which will be mod of a bar mod of c bar cos theta upon, sorry, this directly. So a bar is 8 b bar dot of minus 7 b bar, right, equals to mod of a bar is mod of 8b, bar is 7 times of mod b, and cos theta over here. This is minus 56 times b bar dot b bar equals to, this is 56 times mod of b square. Now you got cos theta. Here it is minus 56 times b bar dot b bar is again mod of b square, and this is 56 times mod of b square cos theta. So cos theta value, when you divide this, you get cos theta equals to minus 1. So theta will be again pi from this as well. So you can use any two method. This was very easy. Okay, you don't need much time to spend, and here the answer will be pi. Okay, so this is your homework, guys. Please take a screenshot and try to solve this question. Okay, so today's summary is, we studied application of vectors, and then we solved some previous year question related to vectors. Thank you for the class, guys. Have a good day.